How to add Payoneer to Shopify 2024 Payoneer payments on Shopify. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about Payoneer and how you can add it to your Shopify and make it a payment gateway for your Shopify. So if anyone on your e-commerce store sends you money or buys an order from you and sends you money, they will have a portal, and that portal will be Payoneer. So Payoneer will be a gateway for your payments on Shopify. So I'm going to be showing you how you're going to set it all up. So please watch till the end. Now, to start things off, you're obviously going to come to shopify.com and log in with your account. Okay. The start off is pretty simple, clearly. Now, when you get into this section, it's obviously going to ask you to log in with any account. So I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick. Once you do that, obviously you're going to make sure that any store that you create, the region of that store matches the region of your actual business location. And sometimes that could cause an issue because once you're creating a region and all, as you can see, if I go with my country, it might not have the correct region to work with. Okay, so maybe Payoneer is not available in this region, but this can be changed later. So firstly, you will go with your region. Okay, go with wherever you're located. Now, once you do that, from there on out, what you're going to want to do is you're going to check if Payoneer is actually available or accessible in your country. You can check that in the store, which I am going to show you, but you can also go ahead and write, let's say my country is Pakistan, so I'm going to write, is Payoneer available in Pakistan? Okay, I'm going to go ahead and search that up. And once we search that up, they're going to say, if you're a freelancer, etc., Payoneer can help you get payments from abroad. So yeah, Payoneer account is available in Pakistan, which is incredible. You know, that's exactly what I want. So now we're here into our Shopify store. Now, once we're over here, what you're going to want to do is you're going to go over to your settings. And once you go to your settings, you're going to go to payments. Now, obviously, now that we're here, they're going to give us a few options. So payment providers, supported payment methods, payment capture method, manual payment methods, and payment customizations. Now, most people go ahead straight to choose a provider. And once they go straight to choose a provider, what they do over here is they just search up Payoneer and they're going to get this, native cards. Now, in many regions, this could be accessible, but I wouldn't go straight ahead into choose a provider. I would go into supported payment methods. Then I would go into search by provider. And here I would write Payoneer. Okay. So this is what we're looking for. This is Payoneer checkout, and this is what we want, not the native cards one. Okay. That does not work pretty well, and I don't think that's actually the official checkout. So I would recommend everyone to go to supported payment methods, go to choose by provider, go to write Payoneer, and it's going to give you Payoneer checkout. So now it says Payoneer checkout makes it easy for customers to purchase anywhere in the world through fast, easy, and secure buying experiences that build loyalty. So, basically it's just Payoneer. Now, once we do this, we're simply going to click on connect. And as you click on connect, it's going to take you to the section over here. So it says Payoneer checkout to your store. Simply going to click on install app. And once we click on install app, what's going to happen from here is it's going to load us in, where it's going to say finish setting up your Payoneer checkout account status, etc., etc. So now we're simply going to go ahead and click on manage, where it's going to take us to the actual Payoneer checkout section. So let me show you how that looks like. So here it is, Payoneer checkout, seamless online payments built for SMBs, easily accept global payments on your online store and manage funds all on one platform, etc., etc. Now, you could go ahead and register with an account, okay? And that will take a little time because it's like PayPal, you're going to have to add in all information regarding your business, your current location, what you do, your social security number potentially, a lot of things will be added in this. Now, once you've added all those details and your account is good to go, your account is fully accessible to work on, what you're going to do from there is you're going to head yourself straight into the sign-in section. So let me show you. Now, what's going to happen is, let's say we have Payoneer here, right? We're going to go ahead and click on sign in. Now, once you click on sign in, it's going to tell you to sign into your Payoneer account, obviously. So I already have my account set up over here. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in real quick. Now, once you sign up with your Payoneer account, what it's going to do is it's going to go into the actual Payoneer dashboards. It's going to go into the Payoneer settings, where it's going to integrate your Payoneer with your Shopify. And once that is done, obviously under the supported payment methods, you're going to start viewing your Payoneer and your Shopify together with each other. Okay, so those are the steps that you're going to take to connect and integrate your Payoneer with your Shopify. And obviously, Payoneer checkout is most probably for merchants because it enables you payment acceptance from PayPal, credit, and debit cards in 120 plus currencies. So again, as I said, go to search by provider into supported payment methods, and then you have Payoneer checkout. And by becoming a Payoneer customer, you also gain access to traditional and additional benefits such as localized support, favorable FX conversion fees, the ability to pay suppliers, or quickly withdraw into your own local currency. And it's also for merchant customers. And as I stated, just log into your Shopify, go into payments, go into supported payments, payment provider, go get the Payoneer checkout, and then finally just set up your integration. Okay. Obviously, once you've integrated things, it is going to take you into a review. Maybe that review could take a day. It may take 2 hours. It may take 30 minutes. It depends on their service. But yeah, it's going to go into review. And once the review is done, only then you can fully use the payment or the Payoneer checkout. And one more great thing is that let's say I'm going to come here in apps, right? Now you can actually access Payoneer checkout from this section too. And it just brings you here. And you can see that you can display this widget of Payoneer into your actual checkout. You can also see that it has multiple payment methods with transparent pricing, fast settlements, and it's optimized to reduce declines. Okay, so it's pretty incredible, and it's optimized for every device. It's optimized for every type of niche you're using it with. Like in our case, obviously we're using it with an online store, so it's a good mix up. It's a good mashup of things to use it with. And, it's the type of things that you should generally use it with because it just keeps a good integratory design with everything and it keeps everything well and going on. Now, one more thing is that you can also directly go and download this app from the actual Shopify store, like, the Payoneer checkout app. But I would still recommend it to get it from your payment providers because in most countries, as you can see, if I write Payoneer right here, in most countries, Payoneer checkout will not appear in your store. You will have to go ahead and access it through your actual payment section from payments over here, okay? But you also get third-party providers like Paystr, you have PayFN, Payo, Gearbubble. You get these providers, but we're here for Payoneer, so why not do it the right and the proper way? So again, if I were to walk you through everything, simply come to your Shopify store, okay? Very simple. Once you're in your Shopify store, simply go to the bottom left, click on settings. Once you come here, simply go down to payments. Once you come here, simply go down to supported payment methods. Once you do that, simply go to search by provider. Once you do that, go to the search bar, write Payoneer, checkout, click on it again, and then you have all these things. And simply go ahead, install the app, manage it, connect everything, and you're good to go. So that is basically about it for this video. Now, if you enjoyed watching, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, let me know down in the comments below and I'll be making more for you. Till then, that's all from me. Thank you for watching till the end and I'll see all of you in the next video. Goodbye.